Hello dear students, in this video we will solve exercises of lesson 19 direct and indirect speech. Here is exercise A. We have to change these sentences into indirect speech. First one, she said to Rita, when I was in Shillong I often met Minnie. So whenever you will find said to in the beginning of the sentence, you will चेंज इट इंटू टोल्ड. जैसे यहाँ पे सी सेट टू लिखा हुआ है, सेट टू को आपको टोल्ड लिखना है, सेट टू को चेंज करना है टोल्ड में. और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में आप ध्यान रखेंगे कि प्रोनाउन चेंज होगा, टेंस चेंज होगा, और अगर टाइम या फिर पोजीशन अगर है तो वो भी चेंज होगा. तो यहाँ पे देखेंगे पहले, शी सेड टू रीता चेंज हो जाएगा सी टोल्ड रीता. व्हेन आई वॉज इन शिलोंग, यहाँ पे आई प्रोनाउन है तो वो चेंज हो जाएगा शी में, और दैट लगेगा, और जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा है सेंटेंस में डायरेक्ट स्पीच में वो हट जाएगा. तो रीता के बाद आप लोग लिखेंगे दैट. व्हेन आई विल चेंज टू शी. when she was verb चेंज होगा had been में, was verb को आप चेंज करेंगे had been में. when she had been in Shillong I often met Minnie है, तो यहाँ पे भी I चेंज होगा she में, और ये सेंटेंस पास्ट में है, I often met Minnie पास्ट में है. तो इसीलिए पास्ट, जब सेंटेंस पास्ट में होता है तो उसको हम पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज करते हैं. अगर सेंटेंस सिंपल पास्ट में होता है डायरेक्ट स्पीच में, तो हम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में उसे पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज करते हैं. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे हो जाएगा शी हैड ऑफन मेट मिनी. सेकेंड, आई सेड चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी एनर्जेटिक. आई आंसर होगा आई सेड दैट चिल्ड्रन वर वेरी एनर्जेटिक. जो आर है, आर हमेशा याद रखिएगा इज़ एम आर सेंटेंस में रहेगा तो वो वॉज और वर में चेंज होगा. तो यहाँ पे आर है, प्लूरल है, इसीलिए हम प्लूरल पास्ट लेंगे, पास्ट फॉर्म, तो इसीलिए हम वर लेंगे. तो चिल्ड्रन, और वैसे भी चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल होता है तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे वर्ड लिखेंगे. तो आंसर होगा आई सेड दैट चिल्ड्रन वर वेरी एनर्जेटिक. नेक्स्ट, द पायलट सेड टू द पैसेंजर द प्लेन विल लैंड इन जम्मू. सो द आंसर विल बी सेड टू टोल्ड में चेंज होगा. द पायलट टोल्ड द पैसेंजर्स दैट द प्लेन वुड, विल चेंज होता है वुड में, हमेशा याद रखिएगा. विल वुड में चेंज होता है, सेल शुड में चेंज होता है. तो यहाँ पे विल है तो हम विल को वुड में चेंज करेंगे और लिखेंगे दैट द प्लेन वुड लैंड इन जम्मू. नेक्स्ट, द स्पीकर सेड यंग स्टूडेंट्स नीड टू डिवोट सम टाइम टू सोशल वर्क. द स्पीकर सेड दैट, आंसर होगा द स्पीकर सेड दैट यंग स्टूडेंट्स नीड है सिंपल पास्ट, तो सिंपल पास्ट सिंपल प्रेजेंट है नीड, तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट सिंपल पास्ट में चेंज होगा. तो इसीलिए दैट के बाद आप लोग लिखोगे यंग स्टूडेंट्स नीडेड टू डिवोट सम टाइम टू सोशल वर्क. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द लॉयर सेड इट इज़ अ होपलेस केस. तो इट इज़ है, तो जब इज़ होता है उसको हम वॉज में चेंज करते हैं. तो हम लिखेंगे द लॉयर सेड दैट इट वॉज अ होपलेस केस. नेक्स्ट, द टीचर अनाउंस देयर विल बी नो क्लासेस टुडे. द टीचर अनाउंस्ड दैट देयर विल चेंज हो जाएगा वुड में, देयर वुड बी नो क्लासेस दैट डे. ध्यान रखोगे टुडे टाइम है तो वो चेंज होगा दैट डे में। 7 नंबर, सारा सेड गीता हैड वर्कड एफिशिएंटली। ये सिंपल पास्ट में है, सॉरी पास्ट परफेक्ट में है ये सेंटेंस, तो इसलिए इसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं होगा। आप लोग डायरेक्टली लिखेंगे सारा सेड दैट गीता हैड वर्कड एफिशिएंटली। ध्यान रखिएगा पास्ट परफेक्ट में अगर सेंटेंस होता है तो वो चेंज नहीं होता है। 8 नंबर, द डायरेक्टर सेड टू द स्टूडेंट्स यू आर वेरी डेडिकेटेड सो यू विल डू वेल इन लाइफ। आंसर सेड टू चेंज होगा टोल्ड में और आंसर होगा द डायरेक्टर टोल्ड द स्टूडेंट्स दैट। यू प्रोनाउन चेंज हो जाएगा दे में, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स है प्लूरल है इसीलिए दे में चेंज हो जाएगा और आंसर होगा दे वर, आर वर बन जाएगा। दे वर वेरी डेडिकेटेड एंड सो दे वुड। फिर से यू चेंज होगा दे में और विल चेंज होगा वुड में। दे वुड डू वेल इन लाइफ। नेक्स्ट, सोमा सेड टू मी आई वॉज वेरी इल बट आई एम बेटर नाउ। तो सोमा टोल्ड मी, सेड टू चेंज हो जाएगा टोल्ड में, सोमा टोल्ड मी। आई प्रोनाउन चेंज हो जाएगा शी में, क्योंकि सोमा इज़ अ गर्ल इसलिए शी में चेंज हो जाएगा। तो हम दैट लिखेंगे, फिर शी लिखेंगे और वॉज चेंज हो जाएगा हैड बिन में। तो शी हैड बिन वेरी इल बट शी वॉज फीलिंग बेटर दैन, यहाँ पे नाउ चेंज हो जाएगा दैन में। तो ये आपको याद रखना होगा। द पैसेंजर सेड आई मस्ट बाय सम वाटर। इसका आंसर होगा द पैसेंजर सेड दैट ही हैड टू बाय सम वाटर। याद रखिएगा मस्ट चेंज होता है हैड टू में। मैं आपको फिर से बता दे रही हूँ कि इज़ एम आर चेंज होगा वॉज वर में, हैज़ हैव चेंज होता है हैड में, कैन चेंज होता है कुड, शेल और विल अगर डायरेक्ट स्पीच में है तो वो शुड और वुड बन जाता है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में, मस्ट चेंज हो जाता है हैड टू में और मे चेंज हो जाता है माइट में और वॉज चेंज होता है हैड बीन में। तो इसको आप लोग याद रखेंगे और उसी हिसाब से सारे सॉल्व करेंगे स्टेटमेंट्स। चिल्ड्रन यू मस्ट लर्न ऑल दिस पॉइंट, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नाउ लेट्स सी एक्सरसाइज बी। हियर ऑल्सो वी हैव टू चेंज sentences from direct speech to indirect speech like earlier exercise we have done. First, see, the budding cricketer said to his coach, I shall improve if you guide me. तो इसका आंसर होगा the budding cricketer said to will change to assured, या फिर आप लोग यहाँ पे told भी लिख सकते हैं। assured or told, anything whatever you want you can write his coach that he would. ओके, यहाँ पे क्रिकेटर का बात कर रहे हैं, एक पर्सन का बात कर रहे हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे ही और ही के साथ हम हमेशा विल लगाते हैं, इसीलिए यहाँ पे शैल चेंज हो जाएगा वुड में। ही वुड इम्प्रूव इफ़ ही गाइड हिम। ओके, नेक्स्ट, आई सेड टू माई फ्रेंड यू आर नॉट वर्किंग हार्ड एनफ। तो आंसर विल बी आई टोल्ड माई फ्रेंड दैट ही वॉज, ओके, ही वॉज नॉट वर्किंग हार्ड एनफ। थर्ड नंबर, द लेडी सेड टू हर सन you are very impatient and lose your temper for trivial reasons. So answer will be the lady told her son that he was very impatient and lost his temper for trivial reasons. Next, 4 number, I said he can be trusted to do this job. Answer will be I said that he could be trusted to do this job. 5th number, you said to me Sandeep should not have criticized his sister. Answer, you told me that Sandeep should not have criticized his sister. 6. He said, I shall talk to you about this next month. So answer will be, he said that he would talk to me about that the following month. 7 number, Jia said to me, I shall return from London before you leave for Chennai. तो आंसर होगा, जिया told me that she would return from London before I left for Chennai. So next is, I said to the mason, you are taking too long to finish the work you promised to complete in a month. So answer will be, I told the mason that he was taking too long to finish the work that he had promised to complete it in a month. 9 number, Dr. Srivastav said to me, you have injured your hamstring muscles. You need to take rest till next week. So answer is, Dr. Srivastav told me that I had injured my hamstring muscle and would need to take rest till the following week. He said to me, you can go swimming tomorrow. He told me that I could go swimming the next day. 11 number, Raghu told me I met our maths teacher yesterday and he promised to visit us today. So answer is, Raghu told me that he had met our maths teacher the day before and he had promised to visit us today. 12 number, I said we shifted to this apartment a month ago. So answer is, I said that we had shifted to this apartment a month ago. Next is exercise C, and in this exercise we will change interrogative sentences into indirect speech. And when we are changing interrogative sentences, we are using asked or inquired in place of said to. If it is written said to, then we will use in place of said to, we will use asked or inquired. Okay, and wherever you will find WH question, WH words, question words like why, whom, what, how, in this type of words we will not use any conjunction, but in other words we will use conjunction like whether and if. Okay, let's see. First one, the stranger said to me, have you lost your way? So answer will be, the stranger enquired. In place of said to, you will write enquired me whether I had lost my way. Okay, whether I had lost my way. And you will not put question mark, you will just put a full stop. Second, I said to Rima, would you like to have a chocolate sundae? So answer will be, I asked Rima whether she would like to have a chocolate sundae. So children, see here you are using whether, which you will not use in wherever you will find WH question. Okay, WH word question, like number C3 you see, she said to me, what would you like to eat, dear? Here what is written? So now we will not use whether. We will write, she asked me affectionately what I would like to eat. Phone number, she said to me, how much money should I take for the vacation? Answer will be, she asked me how much money she should take for the vacation. Fifth number, she said to the plumber, can you fit it in a day? The plumber said, no, I cannot start work before next week. So answer, she asked the plumber whether he could fix it in a day, and the plumber replied that he could not start work before the following week. 6 number, I said to the man, could you direct me to the post office? Answer, I requested the man to direct me to the post office. 7 number, I said to my teacher, can you explain this to me tomorrow? Answer, I asked my teacher to explain that to me the next day. 8 number, Gaurav said to his mother, why can't we go to the library today? Gaurav asked his mother why they could not go to the library that day. She said to her friend, will you help me pack my bags? Her friend said, yes, certainly. Answer, she requested her friend to help her to pack her bags. Her friend readily agreed. 10 number, she said to me, who are you and what is it that you want from me? Answer, she asked me who I was and what it was that I wanted from her. Next is exercise D, and here we will change imperative sentences. Whenever we are changing imperative sentences into indirect speech, then we are using words like request, urged, this type of words we are using. So let's see. I said to Sakira, help me in cleaning this room. Answer will be, I requested Sakira to help me clean that room. This will change to that. Second, she said to me, please repeat what you just said. So answer is, she requested me to repeat what I just said. Third number, the director said to the actor, be careful when you perform the stunts. So answer, the director urged the actor to be careful when he performed the stunts. Next is, the priest said to me, may the Almighty grant you a long life. This is an exclamatory sentence, and here we will use the priest prayed that the Almighty grant me a long life. Next is again exclamatory sentence, how pretty I look, said the young girl. Answer is, the young girl exclaimed that she looked very pretty. 6 number, her brother said to her, you should not speak ill of your friends. Her brother told her that she should not speak ill of her friends. 7 number, the mother said, children, do not be so nervous about the exams. Answer, the mother urged the children not to be so nervous about the exams. You have done very well. Keep up the good work, said the teacher to Sabah. The teacher congratulated Sabah for having done so well and asked him to keep up the good work. Next is exercise E. Here we have to change sentences from indirect speech to direct speech. So you have to put comma also, and you have to use single inverted comma. See, first sentence, he proposed to us that we should go for boating. So answer will be, he said to us. He said to us. After that comma, then single inverted comma will start. Let us go for boating. Then full stop. After that you will close the single inverted comma. Next is, the teacher advised her students to work hard and consistently. So answer is, the teacher said to the students. The teacher said to the students, comma, inverted comma start, work hard and consistently. Full stop and inverted comma close. Next, third number, he begged his mother to forgive him. Answer, he said, comma, inverted comma start, mother, again put one comma, then write please forgive me, full stop and inverted comma close. Fourth number, the man wanted to know how long it would take to reach the station. Answer is the man asked, comma, inverted comma start, how long will it take to reach the station, question mark and inverted comma close. Fifth number, the manager said that he was busy then. So answer is the manager said, comma, inverted comma start, I am busy now, full stop and comma close. Sixth number, he said that he had met them a month before. Answer is he said, comma, inverted comma start, I met them a month ago, full stop, inverted comma close. Seven number, he asked his students whether they had understood the topic. So answer is he said to his students, comma, inverted comma start, have you understand the topic, have you understand the topic, full stop, inverted comma close. 8 number, he informed me that the shop had been closed since the previous month. Answer is he said, comma, inverted comma start, this shop has been closed since last month, full stop and inverted comma close. 9 number, the teacher said that the earth rotates on its own axis. Answer is the teacher said, comma, inverted comma start, the earth rotates on its own axis, question mark, sorry, it's not question mark, you have to put a full stop and inverted comma close. 10 number, he reminded me that I had to visit my aunt that day. Answer is he said to me, comma, inverted comma start and write remember, then again put one single comma and then write you have to visit your aunt today, full stop and then inverted comma close. So all this were the exercise of lesson number 19. You need to practice it again and again. Thank you.